Hi traders, you are all welcome to another weekly Forex forecast on FX Trading School, which is for 8th to 12th of February year 2021.
In this week, I'm going to share with you some list of currency pairs I have on my watch list next coming week should in case of trade breakout opportunity. And then if today is your first time viewing my YouTube channel, do not forget to click on the subscribe button as well. Hit on the notification bell so whenever I release additional content of this kind, you're going to be the first to be notified.
Also, remember, trading is a high risk and a high reward investment. Therefore, it's advisable you know what you are doing and then risk smartly.
Here are the list of currency pairs I am watching out for next coming week.
I have the British pound sterling paired against the USD. I have the euro paired against the USD. I have the USD paired against the Japanese yen. I have the Australian dollar paired against the USD. And then we're going to wrap up things with the Bitcoin paired against the USD as well. Give you a bonus of our analysis on the Litecoin paired against the USD. So let's dive into the weekly Forex forecast right now. Apology once again traders for not releasing last weekly Forex forecast. I was on a trip so I couldn't make it back on time. The first currency pairs I have on my watch list next coming week is the British pound sterling paired against the USD. We can see the technical pattern we got right here, which is a narrow rising wedge, and this does suggest a bearish implication. But at the moment right now, seems the bulls are taking over of this rally right here. We can see there was a clustering of price to the resistance structure, which acts at the price level of the 1.37528. A clustering of price does suggest the bulls right here are doing all what they can to break out of this key level resistance structure. So next week, as a price action trader, you have to pay close attention to the key level resistance, which comes in at the price level of the 1.37528. Likewise, the key level support, which comes in at the 1.34536. For as long price travels within this medium right here, it suggests the bulls are still dominating in this rally right here, and there's high tendency for the bulls to break out at any time. So if the bulls can step in, whereby they ensure a strong bullish close of price above this key level resistance of the 1.37528, I'm not going to be willing to buy right here because there is high tendency for this pattern we got right there to transform this rally right there into a slingshot of bullish rally. What I mean by a slingshot of bullish rally simply means there is high tendency for bullish breakout right there to transform within a short period of time and then close back right there, which you can as well tag as a false breakout. So next week, I'm going to patiently pay close attention to see if price can offer a pullback to the key level support of the 1.34536. Then I'm going to look out for a strong buy opportunity to go along with the trend right here. Alternatively, next week, if the bears should put price downward to this key level support and then the bulls fail to carve a strong bullish price action or to defend this key level support right here, whereby the bear steps in and then put price to this dynamic support, then the bulls have to do all what they can to defend this dynamic support, which has been acting as a dynamic support for price right here, likewise right here, and then right here that was in July of year 2020. And this trend still extends to this structure right here, which was on May of year 2020. So this is a very strong dynamic support trend line. If the bulls fail to defend this dynamic support trend line we got right there, then there is high tendency for the bears to put price downward to the key level support, which acts at the price level of the 1.31863. If that should occur next week, whereby the bears clear off this level and then this dynamic support, then it suggests the rally right there is gradually transforming into a bearish no rally. So next week, as a price action trader, pay close attention to the key level resistance of the 1.37528, likewise the key level support of the 1.34536. Here comes the second currency on our watch list, that is the euro paired against the USD. The euro is on a strong bullish aggressive rally right from the formation of the symmetrical triangle we got right here. Got no price broke out, we got a bullish strong rally. We can see the dynamic support trend line, which had been acting as a dynamic support for price, likewise right here. So last week, that was on Thursday, bar broke this dynamic support, and then Friday bar did carve a bullish engulfing bar to this bearish bar. I discussed about shorting this currency pairs, that was the last week, and I stated if you want to actually sell this currency pair right here, you got to be very careful so you don't jump the gun. we can see what actually happened right here. This was a resistance for price in September, likewise in August of 2020. Although there was formation of a head and shoulder right here. But if we should examine this head and shoulder properly right here, we're going to figure out it was a my volume, and this is why volume is essential. In a market whereby there isn't a well-decisive breakout of a pattern, it's advisable to stay out of such pattern. We can see the bearish bar which closed out of the neckline of this head and shoulder structure right here. It was a my volume, and this is one of the reasons whereby I stated if you want to trade this currency pairs, you are putting yourself in a risk, and which Friday bar did carve a bullish engulfing bar. So for as long price trade above this key level support of the 1.19653, it signifies the trend right here is still under the influence of the bulls. So next week, as a price action trader, we got to patiently pay close attention to this key level support, which was a resistance structure right here. You can see right here is acting as a support for price. So next week, if the bulls can ensure a strong bullish close above this dynamic support structure right here, then it's a signal the bullish rally we got right here is in a state of resumption. Alternatively, next week, if the bears will step in, whereby they put price below this key level support of the 1.19653, then it does suggest the bears are willing to put price downward to retest the previous key level support, which acts at the price level of the 1.16072. So next week, as a price action trader, pay close attention to the key level support structure right here, as well the neckline of this formation we got right here, as well the dynamic trend line right here. Maybe this is gonna serve as a dynamic resistance, or maybe the bearish breakout right here would transform into a false breakout. And if that should occur, then it signifies the bulls are resuming the bullish upward rally we got right here and then right here. The next currency pairs on our watch list is the USD paired against the Japanese yen. We can see this currency pairs right here had been in an existing bearish rally trend right from July of year 2020 to this level structure right here, that is January of year 2021. Price broke out of this bearish narrow wedge through the formation of an inverse head and shoulder. That is if you view this currency pairs with an eagle eye. Here comes the left shoulder, we got a right shoulder right here, we got a head formation right here, and which led into the bullish breakout right here. This is the last swing low high of this bearish wave we got right here, and then we can see a strong bullish close above this swing low high right here, which does suggest there is a bullish interest on this currency pairs. Here comes the next swing low high, and then which is currently serving as a point of rejection resistance for price last week. However, the major key level resistance comes in at this low high swings right there, and that is a price level of the 106.070. So next week, as a price action trader, pay close attention to this key level resistance of the 106.070. Likewise, the key level support which acts at the 104.557. Likewise, the low high swings right here, which is currently serving as a point of rejection for price. So next week, if price can offer a pullback to this key level support of the 104.557, look out for a strong bullish price action bar right here, because this level right here has a lot of probability to interest more buyers to set in, because this wave movement right here can transform into a corrective wave for the continuation of the bullish rally we got right here. We can see the bearish rally right here changed into a bullish pattern when it closed above the last low high swings right here. Alternatively, next week, if price should hit this key level resistance of the 106.070, if you are buying this currency pairs, you have to be very, very careful right there, and then it's advisable you trade your profit or you walk out with your profit. And if you want to sell right here, look out for a strong bearish price action before you look short this currency pairs. But for the kind of formation I'm figuring out right here, I'm gonna patiently wait for a bullish continuation of this rally instead of executing a bearish position right here. So next week, as a price action trader, I'm gonna focus my attention at this key level support of the 104.557. If price can offer a bullish price action right here, or maybe if price can close above this key level resistance right here, if price can offer a strong breakout and pullback right here. So next week, monitor these currency pairs. The next currency pairs on our watch list is the Australian dollar paired against the USD. I always emphasize about going against the trend with a pattern formation we can figure out on the lower time frame, such as the 1 hour, 4 hour chart frame. If you want to take a trend reversal, it is advisable you look out for a reversal pattern based on the daily chart frame. The higher you go, the more stronger and valid the price action signal bar or the chart pattern becomes. So right here, the bullish rally continues. We can see price closed above the last swing rejection structure we got right there. That was Friday bar. We got a strong bullish close, and don't be surprised, the bullish rally we got right here is still under the influence of the bulls to continue the bullish upward rally right here. So next week, as a price action trader, if you want to take this currency pairs, focus your attention on the 4-hour chart frame to see how price gonna react right here. Or maybe if you want to take this currency pairs, the best zone to implement your stop loss should be at the swing low right here. You can see we got this pattern right here. Price retested this structure right there, retested once again, and price broke out. So next week, if you want to buy right here, you have to put into consideration the dynamic trend line we got right here. That is tendency for price to hit this structure right here and then make a pullback. Then if price can offer a strong buy signal right here, then you can go along with this bullish rally upward right here. And remember, this is not a financial advice, neither an investment advice. It's based on technical formation I can figure out right here. So next week, monitor this key level structure right here and then the dynamic trend line we got right here if you want to go long on this currency pairs. Alternatively, next week, if the bear should step in whereby they ensure a daily close of bar below this key level structure right there, then it does suggest the bears are willing to pull price more downward to expose the next key level support, which would act at the price level of the 0.73785. So next week, pay close attention to this currency pairs at the dynamic trend line right there and the key structure right here, likewise the low swing right here. Okay, cryptocurrency traders, this is the time you have been waiting for. So it's time we wrap up our analysis with the crypto market. That's the Bitcoin paired against the USD, likewise the Litecoin paired against the USD. Over the weekend, Saturday my time right here, I have received a lot of messages, especially from Nigerian traders. There is a breaking news. The government of Nigeria are trying to ban all cryptocurrency trading exchange platform. In fact, it has been banned. The United States government have tried this once in the past and they failed. Crypto market won. The government of India as well tried this in the past and they failed. At last, crypto won. So this is not a new thing in the crypto industry. As well, you can see what happened in the repo market. That is the XEC against the repo. You can see later what happened on the repo, and which I already give analysis. I had noticed how I invested heavily on repo, and I shared how I made over 200% on return of my investment in the repo market. So this is not a new thing at all in the cryptocurrency market. Which means if you are from Nigeria, you can no longer have access to fund your account or to transact through your Naira or your Nigeria bank account for trading crypto market. But I got a good news for you guys. You don't need to be in a state of panic. Initially, Bitcoin wasn't created to go through all the government bodies or the banks in system or the exchange trading platform. Bitcoin and the crypto system, the blockchain network, is created for a peer-to-peer group transaction, which means you can still go with your normal trading of cryptocurrency to peer and peer or group system, which means there are a lot of cryptocurrency peer-to-peer trading exchange platform which you can switch to as an alternative. I have links under this video. You can check under this link if you are from Nigeria, if cryptocurrency trader in Nigeria, and then you are finding it difficult to continue your cryptocurrency trading. We don't need to worry, don't need to panic. Check on the links I have under this video. I believe the links is gonna help you to register on a peer-to-peer trading cryptocurrency platform. This is a platform whereby when you register, your transaction can go through a medium of an escrow. Once you want to buy your cryptocurrency, all you need to do is deposit your fund through this escrow system, and then someone with the cryptocurrency you want to buy can transfer to you, and then you can pay the money as well through the escrow medium. So this is a solution for Nigerian cryptocurrency traders. So right here I got a Bitcoin, and you can see right now the Bitcoin has technically resumed the bullish rally we got right from this level structure right here. And this time right now, this formation we got right there is a symmetrical triangle, and this is a very, very powerful technical chart pattern. Whenever you figure out a symmetrical triangle at an extended move of a bullish rally, it does suggest continuation of this bullish rally. And then right now we can see price is breaking out. I have already accumulated more cryptocurrency after the breakout right there, so I am looking out to see what price has to offer me. Maybe price gonna go in a bullish rally or maybe in a bearish rally. And then take note, I have invested a lot in Bitcoin when price was still trading at this low value of the 10,000, 11,000 of the price level right here. So if you're not trading cryptocurrency right now, I'm gonna advise you not to put a larger sum of amount right here. So right now, the technical formation I got on the Bitcoin is supporting a bullish sentiment. But if price can offer a bearish close back into this pattern right there, then it does suggest the pattern we got right there is a false breakout. As well, I got the Litecoin paired against the USD. So here comes the Litecoin pair against the USD. I shared this trading signal with the VIP members community of FSLS when I bought into this cryptocurrency, how I bought it based on the 4-hour chart frame. I'm going to show you right now how I got into this trade based on the 4-hour chart frame. So here comes the 4-hour chart frame of the Litecoin pair against the USD. You can see we got the formation right here, resistance, we got low high swings right here, we got it right here. Price broke out of this symmetrical formation we got right here, and when price broke out right here, I accumulated more Litecoin right here. I shared this entry with the VIP members community of FSLS, and then I know some members as well traded this cryptocurrency coin. So if you are trading it right now, you should be very, very careful of the key levels support, which comes in at the price level of the 154.93. So if you are speculating the price of Litecoin, which I do not, I trade cryptocurrency based on ownership. If you are speculating, the best zone to implement your stop loss right now should be at the swing low right here. That is the price level of the 149.15. And then what I got right here, that is high tendency for the bullish rally to continue on the Litecoin. But if price can close above this low swing we got right there based on the 4-hour chart frame, then don't be surprised if the price of Litecoin skyrocket to the next key level resistance, which would act at the price level of the 186.68. So if you guys are not very familiar, or you find it difficult to understand my key level structure on my trading chart, maybe on the 4-hour chart frame or maybe on the daily chart frame, I construct my key level structures based on the weekly chart frame. So I control my key level structure based on the weekly chart frame, and then I try to analyze to relate it to the daily chart frame. So this is what I want to share with you guys. Thanks for watching this weekly Forex forecast, and do not forget to like this video, put a comment down, share this video with your loved one. If you haven't yet subscribed to my free Forex trading class, which I do hold every Thursday 8 p.m. GMT +1, there's a link under this video. Check the link, subscribe today so you can attend the webinar, which comes every Thursday of every week. And then if you are looking out for a reliable Forex brokerage company as well as stock brokerage company, this is a stock brokerage company where you become ownership shareholder of a company in the US. That is, if you want to become a shareholder of Tesla, of Amazon, of Coca-Cola, of Google, of Facebook. This is a platform whereby you can become a shareholder and not just the normal speculation you are being offered on your trading platform. So thank you guys. I got all the links right here. Check on the links so you can go through, register for crypto, stock, or Forex trading account. Thank you, and looking forward to see you in the next weekly Forex forecast next coming week. Peace.